What's good, bruh? So today I am recovering from Disneyland. It was cool, man. I haven't been to Disneyland in probably 9 years, and it was my first time experiencing the Star Wars land. It was pretty cool, man. That ride was dope. I don't know the name of it, but the video I posted of it.
Warning affected area ahead. Please proceed with caution.
That was my Santa Ana wind advisory. If you heard that. Yeah, Disneyland was cool, man. I got to experience Club 33. I don't know if you're familiar with that. It's like a very exclusive, like, dinner restaurant in Disneyland, and my aunt got us in, me and my cousins, so got to enjoy a cool family dinner, and we spent the day together at the park. It was cool, man. But like any amusement park, you know, you're walking around, you're standing for long periods of time, body's just tired, man. So we are on our way to Lake Forest to do a drain repair. From a few days ago, we gotta open up the drywall and cut out part of the stack and throw in a new 90, try to make that thing level, and then we got an estimate for a gas line, and then we have a backflow test. So a little bit of a light day, which is okay. Election is over. Hopefully, as we're gearing up towards the holidays, it doesn't get too slow. Hopefully things get back to normal. And yeah, man. So I will see you at the job.
Good. We're good, bro.
All right, so we just wrapped up that call. I just went down the street. Whenever I am in Lake Forest, there's this burger joint called Angelo's, and it's a throwback to when I used to go to Oceanside in Oceanside, California all the time, dude. So there's like 3 or 4 Angelo's in Oceanside, and as a kid, all through my teenage years, and then when I was a young adult, moved out to Oceanside, Angelo's was always the spot for burgers, dude. So when I found out in Orange County, Lake Forest had an Angelo's open up, whenever I'm here in the area, I try to grab a burger when I can. So if you're in Orange County or you're in the North County, San Diego area, hit up Angelo's, man. Try their bacon avocado burger, dude. Bomb. And then, you know, you get your horchata or Jamaica or iced tea or Coke, whatever you want. But anyway, we finished up that job, and everything went smooth for the most part. Got the 2 bands on there. I had to, just because of the way everything was stressed. The 90 coming off of the shower arm, it's slightly off too, man. So the best we could with those bands, help offset everything a little bit. The best I could do was get the one off the shower level, and then the new installation is at the correct fall. So you know, mission accomplished in my eyes, man. Everything's good. So I'm gonna eat this burger, and then we're gonna be headed out to do an estimate, and then after the estimate we're gonna do a backflow test. So we'll see. Might see it at the estimate, might see it at the backflow.
Two point four. 2.4. Two point two.
right, man, we are finished up for today. Well, let me pass this intersection here. All right, we are finished up for today, man. We are leaving Laguna Beach. Check out this little scene, dude. How pretty that is, man. I love the way the sun shines on the water, dude. It just glistens. So good. Anyway, all right, we finished up that backflow test. It passed. The way it was covered in bird poop, I thought, yeah, there's a chance this might fail. But nope, no, it passed good. So we're done for the day. We are gonna head over. We're gonna head home, I think. Actually, you know what? I need to go by the supply house, and then we'll be wrapped up. Tomorrow we got some angle stops being replaced. It's actually a little further than I like to go. I'm going to Fullerton, but he's a repeat customer and willing to make the trip. So yeah, we're done for the day, man. So have a good night.